I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Google Contacts because that's where Gmail stores address records. First, sign into the exact Google account that lost contacts. Once signed in, open Contacts. Google.com or choose Contacts from the Gmail grid. Make sure the account avatar matches the one you expect because recovery affects only this profile. Once done, pause and scan the left sidebar to confirm you're in the new Contacts interface. This prepares you for the restore tools we'll use next. Now use the built-in Restore. Click the Settings gear or the left menu, then choose Undo Changes or Restore Contacts. You can pick a preset time window, 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, or a custom time up to 30 days. This rewinds changes Gmail recorded. Choose the point just before deletion and apply the restore. Once applied, make sure to view all contacts to confirm items returned. If some names remain missing, don't panic. There's a next step to check trash and import backups. Finish by checking trash and contacts. Deleted contacts stay up to 30 days, and you can restore individual entries. If trash doesn't have what you need, import a CSV or vCard backup you may have exported earlier. Import merges entries back into all contacts. Once restored, force a sync on your phone or refresh Gmail and sign out, then back in to resolve display caches. If anything still goes wrong, retry the restore with a slightly earlier time. That often recovers missed records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.